Good morning, Bobo. Time to get up and drive to Austin for our hike. Hello, Bobo. Morning. It's 5:45. Traffic jam. All right, after a 3-hour drive, we are here at Goodwater Loop or San Gabriel River Trail. And Bobo's already so eager. Wait. Okay, it's now 8:27 and we are starting from Cedar Breaks Park. There are 5 trailheads in this Goodwater Loop Trail, and this is the most common one. And you can go, it's a loop around the lake. You can go clockwise or counterclockwise. But usually people go clockwise. I think this is what I'm doing right now. I'm carrying my Gregory Diva 70-liter backpack. I'm not used to it. This is the backpack that I started out with on the AT, and I switched to ULA Ohm 2.0. Oh, babe, Bobo, we're hiking. So it's gonna be 27 miles of total miles. I don't know how long we're gonna do today, but we'll try to do as much as we can. Bobo! Oh, he disappeared. Bobo! 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 Hey, no chasing deer, no chasing rattlesnake. Let's go. No porcupine. No. Hopefully we won't run into any snakes. You can't get to the water, Bobo. So pretty. Come here. Wait for me. It's weird looking rocks, like it has holes in them. See? It's so weird. Phew! Yeah, this is actually a cliff. You cannot get to the water. Oh, it's so high. It's so high, oh my God. So that's mile marker 1. We've only gone 1 mile so far. Mile 2. Find out, what is that? I don't care. Yay! I love going on an adventure. This is a last-minute hiking decision. I decided yesterday. Let's go hike somewhere. We came across a little creek here, water source for Bobo to drink.
Did you?
Yeah, I finished the whole thing. This one made it 300 miles through Pennsylvania.
Really?
And then he got porcupine quilled, and I sent him home.
Don't tell me. 300 miles?
Yeah, but I walked 2,200. Wow. Yeah, I just got back a month ago.
Oh, you lucky girl.
Oh, this part of the trail is so cute. We just ran into a guy and his dog, Gaston and Gaia. I told him to check out my YouTube channel, so I hope he will. Oh. Oh, I'm so happy. Look, a ruin. No sheep. Ah, there's a Crockett Falls coming up. Look at that. Let's pretend we're in England, Bobo. Oh, Bobo, there's a waterfall. Look. Oh, it's hard to see. Oh, here. Look, there's a water source. Oh, nice. Wow, lots of water. I'm glad. Incline. It's so scenic. So pretty around here. It is now 9:55 and here is mile 3. Mile 3. Whew, it's sharp rocks too. Uh-oh. Oh, there's a bridge. Look. We go down here, Bobo, I think. Come on. Down. Don't pull me. Yay! Still mile 3. The trail is behind people's homes. They're nice homes. So this is not a wilderness trail. Look at that. The trail is actually managed by U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. You can hear lawnmower. We are not in the wilderness. Oh, marker 4. Hi, new friends.
Yep.
You guys walk so far. Easy trail, Bobo. No rocks this time. Hey, let's go. Beautiful day. Yesterday I was debating whether to do this one or Eagle Loop Trail in Arkansas. But the drive is much closer. This one only 3 hours instead of 4.5 hours, almost 5 hours to Arkansas, to Mena, Arkansas. So we ended up here. I'm happy. There's a campground called Cedar Hollow Camp over there. But we're not ready for that. Let's go here. I think this is the trail. Mile 5 at 10:38. $10.56. Mile marker 7 at 11:22. Good boy, Bobo. Yeah, I wonder if that's a trail going up there. But right now we're here. Oh, glad you found some water. Looks like we're gonna have to climb that steep hill I showed you because we were there and now we're across it right here. We're gonna turn left and hike that hill. We just passed mile 8 and then I found this little bench under a tree, so I'm gonna feed Bobo now. You okay, Bobo? So different from the AT. We're in the shade now, yay. This is a nice part of the trail after mile 8. Up and down, hilly, and shaded. Oh dang, look at the steps. Oh my gosh. That's serious steps right there. It's so pretty. There's hill on the left. But no shade now. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna start walking. Seems like after mile 9, the trail is not rocky anymore. There's some water access. You saw where Bobo got his drink, and it's running water. It's really nice. We're approaching Tejas Park, where there's gonna be picnic area and campground, but it's too early. We're gonna rest there, eat lunch, and then continue a few more miles. God, it's hot. I wish I didn't wear a long sleeve. So we arrive at Tejas Park. Look at this campground. Nice. Let's look for water. Some water. 1 second. We are at mile 11, which is Tejas Park. There's a restroom over there, and some campsites, and potable water. Yay! Luxury. It is now 1:30. We just left Tejas camp after resting for, I don't know, 30-40 minutes. So we're walking again. The next campsite is Russell Park, which is mile 16.8. We are now at mile 11, so about less than 6 miles from here. It's only 1:30, so water crossing. Lots of water. Hold on. So a few hours ago we were up there and then come back on this side. That was about mile 9 or 8 over there. And then now we just passed mile 12. About mile 12 and a half right now. Mile 13. It is now 2:37 and we are passing mile 14. And Bobo's still hyper. Oh, my left hip hurt. And my right heel hurt. Out of shape. It's just flat on this side of on this side of the lake. The first 8 miles of this trail was rocky. So we found this campsite at mile 15. There's another person there. So this is more than halfway. This is a nice site. It's next to the water. So I already went and get water. I think Bobo's hungry. I was gonna keep walking and continue to Russell Park, but we sat there for a rest and Bobo fell asleep. So it's 3:30 right now, maybe 4 o'clock. I'm not sure. Oh, so bright. So I decided to just stop here. It's nice. Look at that water. It's glistening. Yeah, nice. Bobo's dog food. He won't eat it without any. Usually I mix it with raw dog food, but of course I can't bring raw food for him. Right, Bobo? So I'm gonna mix it a little with my ramen soup. Here's our water source at camp. Oh, it's so bright. This is day 2, Thursday, December 9th. Bobo and I are packed and ready to go. We have the second part of our journey is 10.5 miles left. Let's say goodbye to the wonderful campsite. We camped there last night. Didn't sleep well. It was very windy. Let me put on my sunglasses. It was very windy, and Bobo kept wanting to come out of the tent. I don't know why. It was dark, so I was worried that he won't come back, but every time I let him out, maybe 3 times that night, last night, and he always came back. Okay, last sighting of our tent site, and we're going. This trail is so pretty. Half a mile from the camp, it's back to rocky again. Look at that. I think I like my Nemo tent better than Z-Packs. I was worried last night the tent was gonna collapse in the wind. It just felt like it. And then my Nemo tent is more convenient with all the pockets and a hook to hang a lamp if I want to, and the pockets around the tent to store stuff is just so convenient and comfortable. And the Z-Packs tent is very minimum. I don't hate it, I just prefer my Nemo tent. It's still being repaired by Nemo. So 8 o'clock. We're at mile 16. 0.8 more miles to Russell Park trailhead. And then the end of the trail is 26.9 miles. Mile 16.6. This is Russell Park. Where does the trail go? 18 miles at 8:41. Just came from there. And now we have this nice, easy trail, Bobo Trail. No rocks anymore. There was a lot of rocks. What a beautiful morning. It's gonna get hot today. It's gonna be in mid-80s today. I'm glad we start early and we only have 10 or 11 miles today, so we'll be done before 1 o'clock. Then we drive home and get some food. Bobo didn't want to eat this morning. He's too excited. The trail before this, a portion of it was behind like new home construction, so there was a lot of construction noise. And now there's none of that. Okay, that's a short one. Oh, this is perfect for mountain biking. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Puds. Small puds. Oh, a creek for Bobo to drink. Yay. Oh, nice. It's 9:24 and we are at mile 20. Good boy. Okay, about 6 or 7 more miles. Something like that. Okay, let's go. This is a nice place to rest. overlooking the lake. We're not far from civilization. There's houses and construction noise everywhere. It's 9:43 and we are at Jim Hart Park. Is there a water fountain anywhere? There's a trash can, Bobo. Let me throw away my trash. No more? Alright, continuing. There's actually water there too. I didn't see before, but now we know. Okay, let's go continue. Uh-huh. I can't imagine. Giant. Look, Bobo, friend.
Okay, is he nice?
Yeah.
Okay.
He used to take a class with Mastiff. Is that a female or male?
Female.
Oh.
Minnie? We did not name her Minnie.
Oh.
She was a rescue.
It's so cute. Oh, nice breeze. I haven't seen a mile marker for a while. 10:34 a.m. we reach mile marker 23. So we have about 3 to 4 miles left. And then I think the last 1 mile is easy, is straight. No rocks. This is mile 23 and a half. Mile marker 24. 2 or 3 miles to go. Bobo! Where are you? Oh, there you are. What are you doing? Huh? I was looking for you. Good boy. You go first. Come on, go. Whoa. Good boy. This is Overlook Park. There's a bathroom, Bobo. Let's go to the bathroom. Oh. Okay, I know where to go now. Is this a bathroom? I think so. Yeah. Okay, so I think we're gonna walk this trail and then walk across that bridge right there. Cool, that's the last mile. Let's go to the bathroom. Almost done. Mile marker 25 at 11:24. Maybe we'll get to the car before noon. Tired. Almost there, Bobo. Less than a mile. Okay? Okay, it's 11:43 and we reached the end of that dam. And mile marker 26. So 0.9 more to the car. You're gonna make it. We're gonna make it, Bobo. We through hike the Goodwater Loop Trail in Georgetown, Texas. Where are you? Back to the entrance of Cedar Breaks Park. So we need to go past this building, this ticket office, and then turn left. And then we're back to the car. Come on, Bobo. It is 11:57 and we are back to the car. The car's still there, didn't get towed. Yay. Yay, we're back. We did it, Bobo. 27 miles. Yay, Bobo. Good job, boy. Take a picture. Look. Bobo, look here. Good boy. Love you.